Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge PR unboxing because since I moved into my new place, I haven't unboxed anything just because I didn't want to make more of a mess. So we got a lot to unbox today. I am in my, what will be my loft office. It's very empty in here, so it might be a little bit echoey, and the surrounding area of where our house is built, other houses are being built, so you might hear some construction as well. I'm sorry if there's any bizarre noise in this video, but we have a ton to get through, so let's start. The first one I'm going to unbox is this package from ColourPop, and from the packaging I already know what this one is. This is the Bambi Collection. So freaking cute. I have seen this all over Instagram and I have been so excited to play with this. I love Bambi, makes me cry. We have 3 palettes in here. They both, or all 3 of them, just say pressed powder palettes. I think they're all little eyeshadow palettes. Here's the Bambi one, Flower, this one is adorable, and Thumper, also super duper cute. There's also a Pixie Puff highlighter in here. I really like these during like summertime. I like to put it like on my collarbones and shoulders, so I really do love these big powder highlights. A little lip gloss set, some cute falsies, and lastly a little trio of gel liners. So these are really pretty shades. I like this sparkly nude one. I am so excited to play around with that collection. Also, if you guys see anything throughout this video that I unbox here today that you want to see more of, maybe a tutorial or whatever, let me know. Next, we have a package from Glow Recipe. In here they have their new Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. You guys are probably familiar with the Watermelon Glow sleeping mask. This has been raved about for years now. They have like a whole Watermelon Glow collection with like spray and everything. I think lip balm as well. So this is an exciting new piece to the collection. The packaging is always my favorite. It's so pretty. So here is what that looks like. My skin has been so dry recently, so I am definitely going to be trying this out and I will let you guys know what I think. I just noticed that this actually isn't part of PR. I ordered this one myself off Amazon after I saw a TikTok, and I'm very excited about this. So this is a weighted hula hoop. I did not expect it to come in pieces, so it's kind of funny. But anyways, I saw a TikTok of this girl. I've seen multiple TikToks at this point where this girl was working out with a weighted hula hoop and she lost like inches off her waist in like a week. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try that out. So this is really cool. I will definitely be giving you guys an update on this. I'm not gonna put the whole thing together right now, but I got the 2-pound one. A lot of people said like when you first start using it, you bruise because it's kind of like heavy, but I love hula hooping, so I'm excited about this. Scoot your buns, scoot your buns. Wow, it's fluffy buns. Okay, this next package is from Ciate London. Sorry, I don't know why I said it like that. And Danielle is on the front. I love her. I found her on TikTok. Everything is about TikTok. And I follow her on Instagram now. She is so stunning and so talented. I did not know she had a collab with Ciate. Everything in this box is curated by Danielle, which I'm assuming these are like probably her favorite products from the collection. There are a handful of things in here. A glossy cheek tint Wonderland mascara. I really like this mascara. Shadow Flip liquid eyeshadow, a black eyeliner, and then the editor palette. So here is what that palette looks like. Super stunning. I love those blue shades. In a cream. I don't know. Oh, it's from Murad. I love Murad skincare. So in here we have the, what is this called? Intense Recovery Cream. So this guy right here. And they also included a book. It's called Exhale. It's 40 breathwork exercises to help find your calm. I probably need this. They also included a little incense holder thing and some incense in here, so that is really exciting. I have not burned incense in so long. I think since I worked at like World Market, because World Market sells incense and I would always leave with some for some reason. I was very into incense at one point in my life. This is a big box. This one says it is from BH Cosmetics. Oh my god, I almost broke my little box cutter. Oh, lordy! It says BFF Alondra and Elsie. Hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly. So this is a collaboration. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know who they are, but they are stunning. So in here we have some lip duos, have an eyeshadow palette, the BFF palette. This is a stunning palette. Those shades are gorgeous. And then they have a BFF snatched face palette. So this has like contour, blush, and highlighter. It's so cute. I'm actually very excited about this palette. There's a lot of blues in here as well. I feel like blues are going to make a big comeback this spring. I feel like a lot of like bolder colors are going to be it for spring instead of the usual pastels. I think it's going to be more vibrant, like fuchsias, and yeah, at least that's the vibe I'm going for. This one, I think it's from Huda Beauty. So this Huda Beauty Balm Brows. Okay, this could not come at a more perfect time because I have been unpacking my makeup and I don't know where any of my brow pencils are. So your girl is really in need. They sent me 3 shades of the little, what is it called? I almost said bold brows, Balm Brows. I will absolutely be using these like tomorrow. Another ColourPop package. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is a hydrating eye gel. Keep eyes looking ultra soft and super refreshed with this hyaluronic acid infused eye gel. Yum. So this is what that looks like. Also included this chill factor under eye roller, which I love these kind of products, or like those cooling under eye sticks. I am a big fan. So hold on, can I open this? Okay, this is not what I was imagining. I was imagining like a product. You guys know what I'm talking about, that like you like roll it on and it's like a cooling eye gel sort of thing. I don't know, but anyways, this makes sense. So this is like one of those little eye rollers, exactly what it says on the box. So you put your little gel on and then you roll it, and it has like a nice cooling and depuffing effect. I really like these two, but you guys know what I was talking about, those little sticks. Anyways, moving on. Ooh, this is exciting. This is a package from Makeup by Mario. Wow, I'm excited. I have never received anything from Makeup by Mario, so this is like a big deal. Can I just say that there's nothing I loathe more than these little wormy paper things. They make such a mess. So we have 3 lip glosses. Let's open these bitches up. The packaging feels like very heavy and like luxurious. Here's what those lip glosses look like. Super gorge. This middle shade, stunning. This is the Master Mattes Pro Lip Palette. That is so pretty. This is the Crystal Reflector Highlighter. This is stunning. This is the shade Core. Here's what the little eyeshadow quads look like. This like nudie natural one is really calling my name. This looks very beautiful. That is so exciting. I was not anticipating a package from them. Next, I already opened this one because I was excited, I was curious, I needed to know. This is from Parade. It is underwear. Cute stickers. Parade donates 1% to Planned Parenthood and invests in sustainable material. Like I said, I already opened these. But I wanted to show you guys the bags because they are biodegradable, which is really cool. So these are saucy. We got a little mesh nude vibe. A fluorescent green lacy one, and I'm pretty sure these are like high waist because you know they're long. This is like my whole torso, and these are my faves. Has the cute little orange flowers on it. Very sassy, very excited about that. Okay, this is another Ciate package. This one is cute. So they have done nail stickers in the past. They're very adorable, but these are like fruity and cute. Oh my gosh, a lavender indoor grow kit. Okay, I thought it would smell like lavender. I don't know why. It doesn't exist yet. And then there are some nail polishes floating around in here. Obviously, I am drawn to this little pale nude cutie. Next is from Benefit. This is their magnetic mascara. Included like a little magnet thing in here. I don't know. 36-hour lasting effect. Who was wearing mascara that long? I need to speak to you. 40% longer lashes. Very nice. I'm excited about this. They included a mini and then a full size. Oh my goodness. This is from Somerville. Let's see what we got going on in here. Kate Cuticles. This is the new peptide powered age repair system. So there's a eye cream, total repair cream, and a firming serum in here. I love Kate Somerville products. I love like all of the cleansers. I have like all of them. I kind of rotate them out depending on what I need. The goat milk one is very nice. And then I like the little spot treatment. I think it's called Eradicate. So I'm very excited to try this. More skincare. This is from First Aid Beauty. I am going to have fabulous skin after today. Here we have the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream, and then the Intense Hydration Ultra Repair Cream. So yum. Like I mentioned earlier, I have had the most dry skin recently, both my face, my body, especially my hands. So I'm definitely pumped about this. We got some lip products from Clarins. Okay, looks delish. This is a water lip stain, and we have 3 shades. Here's what those look like. They honestly look delicious. Should I put this one on right now? I don't know. I have lipstick on. I don't know if that matters. But, oh, the brush is weird. Do you guys remember when Kylie Jenner first launched her lip glosses and they had like that weird brush tip? This is what that's giving me, but less broomstick-like. Also, it smells so good, like candy. All right, let's try it out. Oh God, it is so liquidy. It feels like water. Okay, that might have been a mistake. Oh, it tastes good too. Okay, I have lipstick on. Big stretch. Thank you. Come on over. You want to smell my lips? They smell good. Next, we have something from Bite Beauty. Okay, this is the new Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. This is what the little tube looks like. Very cute and skinny. Try her out. Whoa. That is like a super intense black. I feel like this is going to be amazing. I haven't used a eyeliner with this sort of tip in a really long time, so I'm definitely curious to try this out. Moving on, this one is from Winky Lux. Very cute. They packed it full of a bunch of goodies. We got some falsies in here, some brow products, liquid eyeliners. Let's just talk about this packaging. Okay, this is fancy. Excuse me? That is so freaking cute. More cute packaging. Little crystals for your face or eyes. I will definitely be using these for a look soon. And then also, I love their little like lip balms, lipsticks, whatever, because the packaging is always cute. This is the Marbaloom Balm. Okay, Marbaloom indeed. Literally like marbly lipsticks. Next, we have a package from Ofra. Milk and cookies highlighter. That's cute. So here's the highlighter, but they also sent a real cookie. Gluten-free and vegan sugar cookies. Let's eat it. Oh, it smells yummy. This tastes so much better than it looks. Not that it's ugly or anything, but you know, like sometimes you get these cookies and you're like, that's gonna be a hard cookie. No, it is soft and it is delicious. I don't know what this is. All right, I'm a little confused. I have honestly never heard of this brand before. This is a lip oil, and I love lip oil, but I gotta say I am a little bit shocked that they put this one little thing in this huge box. So that's kind of weird. This one is from Pacifica. Okay, there are lots of fun goodies in here. Eyeshadow palette. Oh, this little baggie is compostable, it says. Glow Baby Brightening Wash. Very excited to try this out. Is this all Glow Baby? So this is a Glow Baby Booster Serum and the Glow Baby Vitaglow Face Lotion with vitamin C and vitamin E. So this line I'm definitely interested in. I have seen this at Ulta before. I wanted to try the serum specifically. So this is really cool. I honestly have not used Pacifica products in so long. So I'm very interested to try some of these things out because they do have so many products. And they're affordable too. So we have Cheeky Cherry Cheek Stains in a few shades, Stellar Gaze Mascara, Glow Stick Lip Oil. Oh, actually a few of those little lip oils. So the lips are going to be moisturized today as well. Hemp Blur Pore Balancing Primer. Let's open this palette up so we can see. Oh, you can kind of see the shades on the back. So there is what that looks like. This is a big palette. There's a lot going on in here. I like this little green shade. My pile of boxes is like really caving in on me, but we only have a few more to go. I'm like, don't mind this trash over here. Or, you know, like the whole trash pile in the corner of the room from unpacking. Don't mind. Don't pay attention to that. Anyways, this is from Lilly Lashes. Okay, so this is actually amazing. There are 8 lashes in here. They look beautiful. And then in these pictures, it shows you what each lash style looks like on. And then there are some really cute little hair clips in here as well. They say cute things like elite, posh, cash. And then we have some lash adhesive. Okay, last box. So this last package is from Clutch Nails. These are press-on nails. There are quite a few styles in here and like different lengths. So this is really cool. I have acrylic on right now, but when we were first quarantining, like that whole year, I was a press-on gal. So I may need to try these out once I get these taken off. But yeah, these are fun. I kind of like the flame one. But that wraps up this massive PR unboxing. If you stuck around to the end, you're a real one. Thank you so much, because I know this was a lot to get through. It's been a while since I have been able to unbox things, so this was exciting. There are a lot of really fun things that I can't wait to try out in here. If you saw anything that you're like super interested in and want to see more about, let me know. I will do some videos, some reviews, whatever you want. And thank you so much to all of the brands that sent me these goodies. I am so appreciative. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!